We got some taho. Let's go. So yeah, we're at the house now. We've just been really busy, but we've been enjoying ourselves. Right, ate?
Yeah.
Yeah, nanay. But yeah, my ma's kuya, basically Tito Erwin, he has, so my ma obviously has me and my sister. And then Tito Erwin has 6 children, so there's 3 girls, 3 boys. And they didn't give up on trying to have, because the boys are the youngest. So they had the 3 girls first. And they didn't give up on having the boys. So yeah, the Pambuans will live on forever. Yeah, it's funny, when we first came, because Bonbon he knew that we were coming and he's so excited. He didn't even eat, he was that excited. But right when we came, as you saw, he was so shy. But then, obviously, I'm like the baby / dog whisperer. So once he warms up to you, it's a workout. Because he's tabacha koi. But yeah, he's very cute and funny and smart. Matalino. Yeah, and then just a few days, so I rewatched the Spider-Man with my cousins. Some saw it already, some didn't. And yeah, they loved it. And the Tagalog part in the movie too, that was funny. And then yeah, and then they surprised the bride, Ate Cheche, Ate Kulos, with a bridal shower. And they went to a condo for a night. And then us boys, we had the bachelor's party, we stayed here. We ate and drank and sung karaoke. Videoke? Videoke. Yeah. But yeah, I'll give you a little room tour real quick. Okay, I give the room tour. That's where we came in from. Some luggages, our snacks and stuff, microwave, dishes, utensils, hot water for tea, fridge, more snacks up there.
So much.
Pretty loaded. You blessed. And there's my nanay and the food table and our Narnia gateway and the welcome home with the balloons that fell, bed, more luggage, backpack, ate, mama ate bed, and then the new TV, smart TV, good deal. Let's go. Then we got the fan, sink over here, and then the restroom. Yeah. Oh yeah, tattoo update. It is getting better, pretty much. A lot of the dry skin peeled off. There, that one too. Whoa. Yep. It's almost peeled off the rest of that one, but we're looking pretty good. So yeah, that's us for now. We're supposed to go somewhere tomorrow, Laguna Bay, but we're gonna try to stay away from COVID till the wedding. Then we'll travel after the wedding. There's the Bun Bun, he's back. Hi Bun Bun! Hi, he's playing with the lights.
I just want to go. Where's me?
Where's you? You wanna see you? There. Oh. 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 Do you want to say anything to the vlog, Bun Bun? Okay, tawa. Oh. Oh.
Nasa-sanity yung ilaw.
Oo nga. Nakakatuwa yung ilaw, no? May yellow ilaw. Ala, nakakasilaw. Hey, bright.
Silaw patay ko.
Yung yellow light, yung yellow light.
Yan, patay na.
Patay na, wala nang ilaw. Nasilaw na si Lola. Lola Shelly. Say hi,
Huh? Yan?
Oo, baka mahulog. Ito.
Oh yeah, Ate Cheche and Kuya Jam, they run a bakery business called LebonSweetTreats, and they make really good, and they got ube for us. Salamat. Salamat Ate Kudos. They get a lot of orders too. They lit.
Hala. Hala.
Nakakatuwa naman yung dalawa. Tama ba? Ay, tubig.
Oh, yan.
Okay, so yeah, today we're going to Santa Cruz. Santa Cruz is the home of Kuya Jam.
Picture. Kaway ka ulit. Oh. Kaway. Yay.
Here we go. Someone wants see the line where the sky is the sea. It calls me.
Moana!
And ulit, take two. Ayan, ayan sila. Sarap, kain-kain si ate nang nagkakamay. O, kumakain. Sarap ate. Fresh fish.
Dapat may... Mali kasi kayo ng pwesto. Paunahan niyo si Daisy doon sa gitna. Sundan mo si Mama, Day. Iwan yung mga lalaki sa likod eh.
Parang pag gumulaw, nasa puti na lang. Yung pinuntahan natin nila Ibon.
Picture tayo na.
Yung pinuntahan natin nila Ibon sa ano?
Masya ba tayo?
Kulang sa exercise talaga. Ayun yung pinuntahan natin nila Ibon.
Saan?
Ayan, ayun yung mataas.
Picture na lang tayo, nakabili.
Ayun yung parang po.
Uwi na tayo. Galing doon sa lake. Pauwi. Uwi na tayo. Ready na tayo.
Okay, so unfortunately we didn't get much footage of Liliw, but basically we ate some quail eggs there and we also had some ice cream. And also this is the town where Silly Red Shoes was filmed, because Liliw is known for having a lot of like shoe stores and stuff like that. And yeah, it was pretty cool. We just walked around and shopped a bit. and ate a bit. So yeah. Sa'yo lang, Liliw. Now we're at the Japanese restaurant. Oh. Road trip, road trip.
Kabilang table. Wala na po.
We're at Tita Ani's house.
We go around.
Okay.
Maganda mo.
Yung may medyas.
Ha?
Yung may medyas.